Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. The topic that I'm discussing today is plants that bought from nursery and the repotting. Before starting the video, just look at my beautiful chrysanthemum flowering plants. The first one is danthus. Sweet William, double or single fragrant colorful flowers are borne at the top of the branches in round clusters. The plant is suitable for beds, borders, rock gardens. I bought this plant in rupees 20. Roses. Apart from looks and colors, roses are known for their familiar fragrance. Some variety of roses, particularly the edible and local ones, are exclusively grown for the petal perfume. I bought this plant in 100 rupees. Salvia. The lost terminal spikes with the tubular bright scarlet flowers are borne above the foliage. Salvia ideal for growing in mass in bed borders, backgrounds, shrubbery, under trees and semi-shaded places. I bought this plant in just rupees 20. Dahlia. Dahlia is a genus of bushy, tuberous, herbaceous perennial plants native to Mexico and Central America. This plant is rupees 20. Rose. These are numerous classes of roses ranging from micro-miniature to grandiflora and from ground cover to climbing rose, with some classes containing hundreds of varieties. Its care tips: place your rose plant in sunny location with good drainage, fertilize them regularly for impressive results, and water them evenly to keep the soil moist. I got it in rupees 150. Begonia. These waxy blooms add an interesting aspect to your garden. These annual give many blooms in their lifetime as long as proper care is provided. Make sure the soil remain moist but not too wet. This is an important part in the care. Place them in a sunny spot to get the best blooms. I got this plant in 50 rupees. Geranium. I bought saplings of geranium in just rupees 10. These low maintenance plants are perfect for hanging basket found in array of different colors. They can fit any kind of space with grace. All they need is moderate amount of sunlight, dewatering and well drained soil. Petunias. I also bought the saplings of petunias. These are colorful blossoms, bring joy wherever they are. They are sun-loving plants and are perfect to bring pop of bold colors to any area. These plants are easy to maintain and only require occasional watering along with general care. So friends, these are the plants that bought from the nursery, and now I'm also showing the repotting of these plants. So watch the full video, and before subscribing please press the bell icon, otherwise your subscription can be cancelled. So thank you friends, thanks for watching and watch till end.